Unless in conditionals means if not. Unless executes code only when a condition is false, while if executes when a condition is true. This lesson shows how unless equals if not in one simple concept. Unless means exactly the same as if not. When you see if not condition, you can replace it with unless condition. Both do the same thing, they run code when something is false or missing. The basic unless syntax is simple. Write unless followed by your condition. Then indent the code that runs when that condition is false. End the block with end keyword. Unless works with else just like if statements. The unless block runs when condition is false. The else block runs when condition is true. This handles both possibilities clearly. Unless modifier puts the condition at the end for single lines. Write your statement first, then unless condition. This runs only when condition is false. Perfect for short checks. Here's a real example. Unless logged in question mark, print please log in to continue. This shows login message only when user is not logged in. Clean and simple. One line unless is perfect for quick checks. Puts access denied unless logged in question mark. This prints the message only when user lacks login permission. Unless makes perfect guard clauses at method start. Return unless name.empty question mark exits early when input is invalid. The main code continues only with valid data.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.